it's Vijaya back at you with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite salads of all time. So a few years ago I visited Thailand for the first time and I had the opportunity to learn a little bit more about Thai cuisine, and I learned how to make this incredible salad called Som-O, and it's a Thai pomelo salad. Have you ever seen a pomelo? It's very unusual, but it smells like a grapefruit, and it's essentially a giant citrus, and the flesh is super juicy and sweet. It's so yummy, and we're gonna toss it together with a whole bunch of different ingredients. It's gonna be citrusy, zippy, sweet. It's gonna be all the things. So yummy. Before we get started, don't forget to hit me up on my social media channels. You guys know how much I love that. I need the followers, fam, so make sure you come through on that. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, just click that info box down below and everything you need is there. Let's go make pomelo salad! So this is what a pomelo looks like. It's available at most local grocery stores, but if you hit up your Asian grocery store, you'll be able to find it for sure. And he's a heavy guy, or she's a heavy girl, one or the other. And it might look kind of intimidating to break into, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, and it's super duper simple. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little paring knife like this, and we're gonna score across the top of the pomelo. So you're gonna go like to the top third of the pomelo, and you're not gonna pierce all the way through. You're just gonna score along the top. You're kind of creating a hat for the pomelo. That's the best way to describe it. And then you're gonna go in and peel off the top. Just like this. Boom! So the next thing I'm gonna do is turn the pomelo on its side, and you can sort of make out where each of the segments starts and ends. So I'm gonna score along the segments because we wanna peel off all of that skin. So we're gonna do one of these numbers. Again, we're not going all the way through, but we're just piercing it enough so that when it comes time to peeling, it's really easy. So now we're gonna peel off, oh, you see how easy that is? You're gonna just peel off each segment of skin. And we're exposing the flesh of the pomelo super duper easily. Wow, look at that, so easy. So we peeled our pomelo, but he is not quite ready to eat yet, because you see all that white pithy bit? It's bitter, and you want to get inside to the flesh. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pry him open. It smells so good. Oh, you guys, look at that pomelo flesh. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. They look like little jewels, and I got one sort of portion exposed, and oh, look at that. It just peels away so easily. Okay, and so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna break it into small little chunks that are bite-sized, and then we're gonna continue breaking down the pomelo. So this is a segment that isn't open, it's covered in pits, so I'm gonna separate it, and then it's as easy as taking a little paring knife, running it along the edge, and then peeling it back to expose the flesh. And look at how easy. So nice. And you have beautiful chunks of pomelo just like that. Guys, look at all of this gorgeous pomelo. Oh, it's stunning. And as you can tell, I did half of it, so I'm gonna save the other half. I'm gonna have it for lunch tomorrow. But in the meantime, let's just pile this nice and high. Wow. Now I'm gonna add a bunch of things to the salad to make it extra flavorful, and we're starting off with some herbs. So I have beautiful mint. Oh, I love the smell of mint. It's so fresh. We have Kaffir Lime Leaf, which is the leaf of the Kaffir lime. It's a sort of like knobbly kind of lime that grows in Southeast Asia that's super fragrant. My mom actually uses it to make Indian pickles, and these leaves are so delicious. And last but not least, our friend, lemongrass. And I'm gonna show you how to break these down. So I'm gonna give this mint a nice rough chop, and you don't wanna cut it too many times because you don't wanna bruise the mint. I like nice big chunks because then you know exactly what you're eating. And for the lime leaves, I like to stack them up and then sort of give them a roll. And then we're gonna do something called a chevanade, which is basically a fancy French word for cut really thinly. Now let's talk lemongrass. So lemongrass, just like Kaffir Lime Leaf, has a super bright citrusy flavor that's similar to lemon, hence its name, lemongrass. And the way to break it down is to get rid of the first inch of its root because that part's super fibrous and you can't eat it. And then the next 2 or 3 inches is super duper tender, and we're gonna chop that up finely. So we're gonna cut off the bottom. Ooh, and then we're exposed to all that beautiful sort of purpley flesh in the middle. And then I'm gonna take a couple of inches off, and then we're gonna split our lemongrass down the middle, and then that exposes it. You see that? And then we're gonna finally chop it. All right, so on goes the lemongrass. We're gonna make it rain lemongrass, you know? And then there are a couple of more things that are gonna go over the top. So I have some shrimp here, and all I did was I added a little bit of water to a pan, salted it, and then added the shrimp in and let it cook for about 30 seconds or until it was nice and opaque in the middle. And then I drained it, so on goes the shrimp. Nice, big, plump shrimp. And this is just gonna make the salad all the more substantial. And now it's time to add some crunchy, toasty, nutty things, and I have that in the form of toasted coconut. So I took some fresh coconut and toasted it up in a pan until it was nice and golden, and some roasted peanuts, which I chopped up. I'm gonna add half of both of them right now, and we're gonna use the other half to garnish at the end. Woo! We have all our salad ingredients together. We have the pomelo, the shrimp, the herbs, the toasty, nutty bits, and now we need something to bring it all together, and that's a dressing, duh. And this is a really simple one, 4 ingredients, very, very Thai. And I'm starting off with a Thai green chili. So I'm only adding 1 today because I can't handle a lot of heat, and I'm so sorry to my Thai friends out there who are watching right now who are like, are you crazy? Because they probably use 5 or 6. So use your discretion. If you like things a little more spicy, add more. Less spicy, add less. Totally up to you. So I'm gonna go in with 1 because I think that's enough for this entire salad. I've actually learned from my mistake because one time I think I added 3 and my mouth was completely on fire. And that's the great thing about cooking, right? You learn what you like as you go. So you want to chop these chilies up nice and fine, just like that. Okay, into my bowl they go. And then the hallmark for Thai dressings is the addition of something that's really bright and tangy. And typically that's lime. I love lime juice. So we're gonna go in with 3 limes. So I squeezed the juice of 3 limes into the bowl, and now I'm gonna add some fish sauce. Okay, fish sauce is gonna add nice saltiness to our dressing. And because we have salty and we have tart and we have spicy, there's one missing flavor component, and that is sweet. And I'm gonna add some white sugar. Now you can use honey, you can use palm sugar, it's totally up to you. And then you're gonna give it a nice whisk. And the dressing is gonna go all over the top. Get every last bit. All right, and you're gonna give it a nice big toss, be nice and gentle because you wanna keep those chunks of pomelo intact. And oh, the smells, you guys, it's citrusy, you get a lot of those notes from the herbs, the nuttiness of the peanuts and the coconut, and that's it. You can garnish with a few more peanuts and coconut, which I have standing by, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wash my hands, and we're gonna dig in. We're gonna dig in together. All right, here goes. I'm gonna get some peanuts, coconut, some of the herbs. Oh my goodness, and like a huge chunk of shrimp like that. Let's go in. This is gonna be the biggest bite on the face of the planet because look at this shrimp, it's huge. Okay, let's hope that this works out. Here goes. Mmm. This salad is my favorite for a reason because when I'm eating it, I don't feel like I'm on a diet because it's substantial. It makes me feel like I've been transported back to Thailand. It's so fresh and light. But the thing that kills me is that between the juiciness of the pomelo and the meatiness of the shrimp, you've got like so many different textures going on and flavors. And the kicker here is that citrusy, zippy dressing that brings it all together. Crunchy peanuts, toasted coconut. This salad is a winner, and trust me, once you start making it, you won't be able to stop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the info box down below. But be super nice to me, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.